Good morning, Hoover Math and Science Academy students and staff. Hi, this is Isha coming to you live from the WHVR studio. Today is Friday, May 3rd, 2019. The weather today in Schaumburg will be 57 degrees with mostly cloudy skies. Now please stand and join us in saying our nation's pledge.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
In sports, the White Sox won last night against the Red Sox with a score of 6-4. Today's announcements are: we hope you remembered today is Zero Waste Lunch. All 6th grade band students will meet in the music room at 10:30 today. Tonight is movie night at Hoover from 6 to 8 p.m. Now a message from Mrs. Rosenblum.
Good morning, Hoover Math and Science Academy staff and students. Happy Friday. You know, I always like to highlight people shining brighter together. Yesterday, a kindergartner helped me shine brighter because they taught me some new vocabulary that goes with their chick unit. They're creating this amazing book where they're learning all kinds of new technical language so that they can talk about their chicks and how they're growing inside the incubator. So thanks to Amanda. All right, I have Smenzel winners for today. I would like to start by highlighting a few of our comments. Michael D., you blew me out of the water during recorder testing Monday. What an amazing job. You should be very proud of yourself. Mrs. Young. Nandini, you did a fantastic job on your science fair project. You are a scientist in the making. Mrs. Jacoby. Alexi, you were an amazing role model for the 3rd graders. Thanks for all of your hard work and guidance during goals and gratitudes. You were terrific in leading the 3rd graders. Mrs. Kobernick. And my last one, Ayumi. Thank you for leading the class in an origami lesson for Art Day. You inspired so many students. Thank you for being a leader, Miss Smith. So these are also great examples of people shining brighter together. So thank you to all of our student leaders throughout the building. Additional Meant Something Great winners are Joey and Zyman from 115, Michael and Asma from 118, Hannah and Gianna from 115, Christopher from 202, Mrs. Kippenhan, Nandini from 202, Luvina, Daniel, Omar, Ayan, Madison, Brandon, Bianca, Alexi, and Mirabelle, all from room 209. Abinjay, Neva, Thompson, Betsalot, and Sanvi from room 214. Ayumi from 112. Vishwak from 206. Arcelia from 205. McKenna from 110. Nora, Janvi, Mariah, Mari, Amber, and Axel from room 106, Rudra P. from room 107, Sonica from 108, Angelo, Artie, Max, and Lucas from 117. Oh, my apologies. Angelo, Artie, and Max from 117, and Lucas A. from 115, Charlie from 102, and from last week, Umberto from room 210. Congratulations to all of our Smenzel winners, and it wouldn't be Friday without our school song.
School
Thank you, Mrs. Rosenblum. On Monday, our ABC countdown is D for Dance Day. Get ready to dance to a great Monday. This week's announcements were brought to you by the Unique Unicorns. Have a finger, cymbal, flute, French horn, fiddle Friday.